Oh, hello plantliners. How are you all? As you can see, I'm admiring my new plant. This is called Baby Dwarf Musa. Isn't that lovely? It measures 35 centimeters high and the spread is also 35 centimeters. This plant is very common in tropical countries like the Philippines, where I came from, and we seldom put our banana plant in a pot like this. We'd rather plant it on the ground and it will grow and bear fruit. But because it cannot withstand the cold climate in a cold country, so they are normally kept as indoor plant or house plant. This plant loves warmth. I place it in the bathroom where the humidity is high and it receives loads of bright light, especially morning light. That's why it thrived already, and look, a new leaf is coming out. For those of you who are interested to have a plant like this, just make sure that you have a place where it can receive loads of bright light but not direct sunlight, and also that this plant is non-toxic, and so it means it's pet friendly and human friendly. When it comes to watering, look at that, it's nearly like bone dry, but underneath it's still moist. I'll just leave it. See that? So I'll wait for another day or two and then I'll put water underneath. I don't water it overhead here. I just put it underneath sparingly. Otherwise the roots will rot. And look, there's a baby plant coming out now. Can you see that? Tiny. Isn't that lovely? So I hope come spring and summer, if I bring this outside, that it will grow faster. But with a small space like mine, I'd rather leave it small like this. Now, having this plant reminded me of a delicacy that we popularly prepare in the Philippines. So that's what we're going to do this time. And yeah, come and join me. I have the banana leaf here. This is one packet. It says 200 grams. You see, I stored in the fridge for very long time, I'd say. That's why it turned brown on the edges, but still okay. So you can still use that. I've washed the leaf. Now we are going to dry them thoroughly. The banana leaves are like gold in countries where it's not locally grown. That's why you might say, well, in our country, if you see like brown leaves like these, brown spots on the leaf, you'll say, oh, you better throw it away and pick another one. But here it's so expensive, but this is still okay. It's only the color because I put it in the fridge Maybe I put it too cold, I'd say. The thermostat is too cold, too low. And it burned. It's like it burned the leaves. Freeze. It's like freeze burn. Now that our leaves are dry, we're going to heat them up. This will strengthen the leaves. Just do this over the flame. So you can see the color changes, isn't it? Well, not too burn, just to, if you see that the color or the texture is changing, that means it's done. Yeah, that's how simple it is. We can also use some of the banana leaf. You can just tear them like that, and that's what we use for tying up. Yeah, that's how it's done. That's the plain one. Now, and then we can put it here. The next one, we're going to put chocolate inside. This is cooking milk chocolate, just an ordinary one. For our next mixture, I'm going to make it savory and make it like traditional one. I've cooked chicken adobo earlier and it's cooled down now, so I'll just take out one. So it's nice. This is the thigh part of chicken. You can use different one if you like the white meat of it, but I prefer the leg part, you know, the brown meat. So I made two knots of lace here so that we will recognize this as the savory one. The pan with actually boiling, no, boiling water. So you can just steam it like that for about 20 minutes. So now we try this. This is the chocolate one. Isn't that nice? I like it when it's nice and warm. I'll just show you. Well, this is too warm actually to eat, but just to show you the middle of it, we just cut the middle. Now, ooh, look at that. Ooh, that's the chocolate one. Isn't it lovely? We look for the adobo. Now, this is the adobo one, the savory, because I made double nut. Ooh, I could smell the adobo already. This is perfect for your lunch. Well, at work we have microwave, so you can just microwave it, or just you can eat it cold as well. Perfect for baon, as we call it in Tagalog. Now look at that. Now, yummy. So you already have ulam inside. You already have the meat. And you can, and to make it nice and savory, you can put the sauce of the adobo like that. So you can, if you make this as a baon, you can separate the, you know, the sauce in a different container and just pour it over afterwards when it's nice and warm already. And this is the plain one. You can put, what we do here is we put sugar in it, dip it in sugar, brown sugar. When we were young, that's already our dessert. Just dip it in brown sugar. Or you can also put mango, ripe mango on it. It's yummy. Try that. I hope you enjoyed watching our video for today. Something different, but because I miss banana leaves. Really, if only I could grow it here, I'd love to. So thank you so much for hanging out with me, Plantliners. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.